In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a service, category, variant, and extras in bulk. To upload your categories, services, and variants in bulk, click Services from the menu. From the Categories tab, click Bulk Upload from the drop-down menu. Click the Download Template button. Open the downloaded template. Fill in the details of each service category following the template in the downloaded sheet. Save the document when you're done. Return to your dashboard and click the Upload section. Select your saved categories list to upload it and click Open. Once uploaded, click Back to Services to view the service category, services, and variants you've uploaded. To view all your services, navigate to the Services page. Click the Category button and select a category to filter and view only a particular service category. Click View Variant to see all the service variants within the selected service. You can edit or delete the variants if you are the manager of the outlet. To add more variants to the selected service, click the Create Variants button. Fill in the variant name, add the price, add the duration, impute extra time, if any. If no extra time, impute the value as 0. Impute the description of the variant, then click Save. Click the return arrows to return to the services page. To publish a category, navigate to the Categories tab and toggle the button next to the category you want to publish. You can also edit or delete a category. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.